everyone, I am Isha Rajput from ABS Engineering College, Ghaziabad. So this is the introductory class of the Unit 3 Transformers of the subject Fundamentals of Electrical Engineering. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the content which will be covered in the upcoming video lectures. So in lecture 1, we will cover working principle and EMF equation of the transformer, in which we will discuss complete working principle, working operation of the transformer and derivation of EMF equation of the transformer. In lecture 2, no load condition of the transformer will be covered, in which we will discuss phasor diagram at no load condition of the transformer, equivalent circuit at no load condition of the transformer, and parameters of the no load condition of the transformer, in which we will also discuss the components of the no load current of the transformer. In lecture 3, we will be covering equivalent circuit of the transformer, in which we will draw complete equivalent circuit of the transformer, then equivalent circuit of the transformer referred to primary, then equivalent circuit of the transformer referred to secondary. In lecture 4, we will cover voltage regulation of the transformer, which in which we will define the voltage regulation of the transformer. Then we will know about the formula of the regulation, voltage regulation of the transformer. Then we will derive the condition of zero voltage regulation of the transformer. In lecture 5, losses and efficiency of the transformer will be covered, in which we will discuss various types of losses which occur in the transformer, and then expression of the efficiency of the transformer. Then we will also derive the condition of maximum efficiency of the transformer, in which we will obtain that for maximum efficiency of the transformer, copper loss must be equal to iron loss, right? In lecture 6, we will solve various numericals on EMF equation and low load condition of the transformer. Then in lecture 7, we will solve different numericals on equivalent circuit of the transformer. In lecture 8, we will solve some numerical problems on voltage regulation as well as on efficiency of the transformer. In lecture 9, we will discuss magnetic circuit of the transformer. And also there is one additional lecture, 10th lecture, in which we will discuss frequently asked question in the university on the unit transformer of the subject fundamentals of electrical engineering. These are texts, some textbook and reference books for your reference. Thank you for watching for this video.